Johnny from Media here. The success of your search ad campaigns can be significantly increased by including something called ad extensions. In this video, we're going to show you what options you have and how you set them up. So stay tuned. At Media, we help companies grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to automated sales funnels, social media content, and much more. We're constantly releasing new material on our YouTube channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Also, feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. Just before you get going, I want to quickly tell you about our exclusive offer. We are giving free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people who click the link in the description below. This offer is going on all of our YouTube videos, so hurry and click it to get your place. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on running a successful Google ad campaign. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click on the link in the description. So after that, let's get on with the video. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information that you can add to your adverts and potentially increase their click-through rate. In this lesson, we're going to explain what they are and take a quick look at the most popular options. So extensions are what you can add to your adverts to make them stand out on Google, and Google really likes you using a lot of these and they can work really well. So ad extensions, it says get up to 15% higher click-through rate by showing additional information on your ads. So you've got site linking extensions, call out extensions, and call extensions there, and you can add others as well. So let's firstly go through these main three. So a site link extension. On this page, I just simply searched hotels in London. Now this first advert, these are examples of site link extensions. So you've got one that goes through to this advert and goes through to this page. But then you've got a different extension. So you've got more than just hotels, you've got apartments for tonight. So you've got a number of things that you can click on that get you to different pages within the website. And they are called site linking extensions. So the next thing we talk about is a call out extension. Now this is where we can add more information to your ad about your business. Now I'll scroll to the bottom of my Hotels London search to show you this advert here from Premier Inn. So this will be in every ad. This bit of text can be in every one of the ads as well. And then this bit down the bottom here, you can see when I hover over it, it's actually a hyperlink. And these parts here, these are ones that are called call out extensions. So these larger ones are site linking extensions. And then you've got these smaller bits as the call out extensions. And then the call extensions are an example of them here. If you search for plumbers, this is an example of a call extension where your phone number will appear in the advert. And then you've got a number of other extensions you can put in there, like structured snippet, app extension if you want to download apps, lead forms you can put in there, promotions. So say for example you put promotions in there, you can click down there and you can add a new promotion. And here's where you can go through and say what's the promotion for, what's the occasion. You can obviously say none. You can set it to obviously British pounds. Say whether it's a monthly discount, percentage discount. So you can say, this one is 50% off, and then you put the item in here with the final URL. So if you're doing a timed discount promotion, you can put one of those into your adverts, and you can say when you want to display your promotional information. So let's have a look at a simple site linking extension to start with. So if you click down there, there's no existing site link ones. You click on a new one. So site link text, that simply means what you're going to have at the top of this. So let's say, for example, I was doing this site and it was just to fill in, people to fill in forms who wanted some editing. So maybe this one, I'd want a site link for PhD editing, and then you can have description line 1, description line 2. So here you could say, PhD editing, excellent PhD editing services, low cost, and then put in your final URL there as well. And then that would appear there. So it would have PhD editing, your second line there, and your third one there. Just makes your advert look kind of a little bit larger and can increase your click-through rate. And if we have a look at the second one, the call-out extensions, you can add the call-out extensions, the text, and as you can see here, you can get 25 in there. So in these ones, you can maybe put something about why they choose your service. So the main part of the advert is describing exactly what it is you offer, and then here you can have some extra, say, features and benefits with the added on part of it. So you can then look at some advanced options and say if you want it to be mobile only, we can say start date and end date for these as well. It does take a little bit more setting up, and then call extensions are really simple to set up. Just add a new call extension, you literally put in your phone number. For the UK, put your phone number in there, and then you can do it again at advanced options. So if you want it to be mobile only, because if it's mobile only, it means they can click straight through to your number. If you look at, say, this one, I can't click on there. So this one tends to work well if you put it on mobile only. And again, you can set your ad schedule for those ones. So you can have a look at these app extensions and think about which ones you want. So for example, location extension is where you can link a location extension by linking it to Google My Business as well. So there's a number of things you can do to add on to these to make them stand out. And I'd say certainly the ones you can do if you want people to give you a call extension is excellent. Call out extension allows you to put a bit more text in. Site link extensions are good if there's some other pages you want to send them to. You can put the lead forms in here. Promotion extensions are really good if you're running an offer and want to do, say, 50% off at some point or something like that. I would just have a think about which of these you want. Maybe do a bit more research into them and think about which of these you may want to put on your advert. I'd definitely start with call out extensions. If you're a business with a phone number, I'd say call extensions are useful as well, and promotion extensions are the ones we tend to use the most. And obviously if you're a shop, you might want to put location extensions. So we recommend you trial these and maybe have one or potentially two or more in each of the ads that you run.